morning, students. So today our topic is about group. So let's discuss. Let G be a group of non-empty sets. Then G cross G is A comma B, such that A belongs to G and B belongs to G of O G cross G mapping to G, where O is the binary operation group. Definition: an algebraic structure G comma O, where G is a non-empty set and O is the binary operation defined on G, is called a group if the binary operation satisfies this postulate. First, closure property. If A and B belongs to G, then A O B also belongs to G. Is that A belongs to G and B belongs to G, and AOB belongs to G, such that A comma B belongs to G. Associative property. The binary operation O is associative when A, B, C are the element of G, then AOB OC is equal to AOB OC, such that A comma B comma C belongs to G. Third, G3, existence of identity. There existence an element E in G such that E is called identity whenever A O 0 E means यहाँ 0 होता है, ठीक है. तो A O ये जब होगा तो identity left identity and I. और फिर existence of inverse. For each element A belongs to G, there exists an element of G called inverse of A, denoted by A inverse comma A is equal to E, and इतना. Okay. Then we discuss about the abelian group or commutative group. A group G comma O is said to be abelian or commutative if in addition to 4 group axioms the following postulate is also satisfied. And G5 commutative मीन्स G5 एक ग्रुप है जो एबिलियन ग्रुप में को सेटिस्फाई करेगा विचार मतलब सिम्स के बाद. तो वो क्या होता है कम्युनिकेटिव ग्रुप जब A O B इज इक्वल टू B O A. वो क्या है बैटरी ऑपरेशन. ओके. तो अलजेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर G comma O satisfy दिस 5 postulate is called abelian group. और here are two basic operation, multiplication and addition. So let's discuss some example. So that the set G is equal to minus 4m, minus 3m, minus 2m and m. We see there is a decreasing order and here is an increasing order. Here you see one decreasing and increasing order, and the difference between them is only m, multiplication of m with a in number. Okay, one with an integer. So the group integer by a fixed integer m is a group with respect to addition. हमको addition के perspective से देखना है कि ये जो है वो ये जो group है वो मीन्स ये जो सेट है ग्रुप का of multiplication of integer by a fixed number m is group with respect to addition or not. So let's discuss. So first property is closure property. So here is a 2m means let's discuss only 2. So addition when we add two numbers a and b. So here rm plus rm is equal to r. So r and s are the two integers and a and b are the numbers. Okay. So when we a plus b is also belongs to G. It's clear. So let's discuss in next page what is there. So first our is closure property. Closure 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 property. Closure property. What is closure property? When a comma b belongs to C, then a plus b also belongs to C. So let r and s be any two integer. So is that e rm is equal to a and sm is equal to b. So according to closure property, a plus b is equal to m common and then r plus s. It's final r plus s a comma b. So here we see so here we see that a plus b is also belongs to G. Okay, because it is an integer. That's why because it is an integer. So next property is our associative property. Associative property. What is associative property? The element of G. Means we discussed in earlier pages that the associative property is A B operation C is equal to A O B operation C. Okay. So here we take A comma B comma C. Here integers we take R S T. Okay, and so on. RM is equal to A. RM SM and STM. Okay, so according to associative property, RM plus SM plus TM is equal to, when we add all, is equal to RM plus SM plus TM. We know that the addition of integer is an associative composition. So third, G3. What is existence of identity? Existence of identity. So here identity AOE is equal to EAO. So here RMOE is equal to EORM, or A plus O is equal to A plus O is equal to E is equal to A. Okay, so therefore O is the identity element. Okay, then last one, G4, existence of inverse. Inverse what? AO inverse is equal to A inverse O, A is equal to E. So here we take RM is the so RM belongs to G. So minus RM also belongs to G. So minus RM plus RM, sorry, is equal to minus R plus R is equal to M. So 0 M. So minus RM is the additive inverse of RM. Okay, so this question is completed. So let's discuss next question. So our all postulate is clear. So every postulate, so the group possesses unique identity inverse, and hence G is the group with respect to addition. Okay, so let's discuss next questions. Here a question is given. Question number 2. Prove that the set of all complex numbers C forms an infinite abelian group with respect to addition of complex number. So C. So we have to prove. We have to prove complex number form an infinite abelian group with respect to addition with complex number. Okay. So solution. So solution to our C. मीन्स ये क्वेश्चन क्या बोला, पूरा क्वेश्चन ही लिख लेते हैं. ओके, प्रूव दैट द set of all complex number C forms an infinite abelian group with respect to addition of complex number. So C मैंने से बोल रहा है कि C का इन्फिनाइट है. ओके, सो यहाँ पास ग्रुप कैसा बनेगा, C ग्रुप G ग्रुप है, A कॉमा A अल्फा इज इक्वल टू A प्लस आई बीटा. ये क्या होता है, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का फॉर्म होता है, और A कॉमा B बिलोंग्स टू R, रियल नंबर होगा. सो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है, क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी व्हेन A कॉमा B बिलोंग्स टू G देन A प्लस B इज ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू G. सो व्हेन A प्लस आई B बिलोंग्स टू so here alpha is equal to A plus IB and beta is equal to C plus DID. So two arbitrary constant. So alpha plus beta is equal to A plus IB plus C plus ID is equal to A plus B plus B plus DI is equal to P plus IQ, where A plus C is equal to P and B plus D is equal to Q. We know that the addition to real numbers is a real number. Okay, so second property is associative property. So associative property, what is associative property? When A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, so here we take A alpha plus beta plus C is equal to A plus IB and then C plus DID plus E plus IF. So here we see that A plus IB plus E plus C plus E and I plus D plus F. And when we open the bracket, so A plus C plus E plus I B plus E plus F is equal to same here. So alpha beta gamma satisfied. So alpha beta gamma. So G2 is satisfied. Okay. So existence of identity. Our next G3, existence of identity. So existence of identity क्या होगा, तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का आइडेंटिटी A O E is equal to P O A is equal to A. We know that so A plus IB plus E is equal to E 0 sorry plus 0 plus A plus IB is equal to A plus sorry here is some mistake. IB here we not directly calculate plus or multiply, so here we write IB. So G4 existence of inverse, so G3 is also satisfied. Okay, then G4 existence of inverse. So inverse, what is inverse? A inverse is equal to A inverse O A is equal to E. So what is inverse of here? Minus, okay. Then A plus IB plus minus A minus IB is equal to minus A minus IB plus A plus IB is equal to 0. Okay, so G4 is satisfied. Okay, so let's discuss the next question. Question number 5. Okay, one more thing I left. There is commutative law also, because we have to prove abelian group. So what is commutative? A operation B is equal to B operation A. Okay, so alpha plus I beta plus gamma plus ID is equal to C plus ID plus A plus IB. So both are equal, A plus C, then I plus B plus D is equal to I C plus A plus I D plus B. Hence the fact is not satisfied. So next question. So that delta set of non-zero complex number C naught forms an infinite abelian group with respect to multiplication. Okay, so in earlier topic we discussed only multiplication, means addition. Then we in this topic we discussed that multiplication. Okay, so here is also complex group, so we have to prove. Okay, so G1 is a closure property, so directly we conclude that when we multiply A comma B belongs to G, then A dot B is equal to also belongs to G. So A plus IB dot A plus B, sorry, C plus ID. So here AC plus IAD plus IBC minus BD. Here is a simple one. So A plus AC plus minus AC minus BD plus I B1 plus B1, sorry, A D plus sigma. So ये proof हो गया associative. So next one is associative. G2 associative law. Alpha beta gamma. So same process here also, an existence of inverse. So but here same process, but only important topic is inverse. So we discuss only inverse, existence of inverse. So see the existence of inverse alpha is equal to A plus IB. So inverse is what? A O A inverse. So here we so inverse of A both non-zero negative number. A plus B minus B plus Q is equal to IAP plus so here something is error now. So let's discuss alpha dash is equal to B plus IQ be the inverse of A, where A and B are not both 0 together. Then alpha plus I beta is B plus IQ is equal to B plus IQ. So inverse. Then A plus I 0. Here are some errors. So let's discuss next question. Here are same as earlier, so not confusion. So let's discuss next question number 6. So that the set of all positive rational number forms. So it is very important question. So that the set of all positive rational number forms an abelian group under composition defined by a star b is equal to ab by 2. So solution. So that the set of all positive rational number forms an abelian group with compositions of a cross b is equal to that. So all positive rational number is denoted by plus q, positive rational number, and here are the operation क्या है यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन का. ओके सारा. सो पहला प्रॉपर्टी क्या होगा g1. सो g1 के लिए हमारा क्या है क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी क्या है जब भी हमको a प्लस बी सो a प्लस ए बिलोंग ए और बी दोनों बिलोंग कर रहे हैं पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर पे तो जो a प्लस बी बाई 2 होगा वो भी पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर पे ही बिलोंग करेगा. देयरफॉर q प्लस is closed with respect to the operation multiplication. Okay, it is very easy now. Then second one, associative law. Let means associative law, we know that a plus a dot b dot c is equal to that much. So here are two only. Okay, so here are two, so we take one, so c also belongs to plus 2. So when c star a star b, okay, is equal to c a b by 2, then when c star a star b star c is equal to a b c by 2. So whole not to here it is different and this is different. Okay, here are some. So in book we see that a star b star c is equal to a b by 2 star c. So a b by 2, then c. Not this is not correct. This is correct. And what I then g3. G3 is existence of identity. Identity means A O B universe. So E is equal to A. So A B by 2 A dot B dot E is equal to E dot B. So E A by 2 is equal to A by 2 E minus 2 is equal to 0. So here are some confusions. So let's discuss two questions in real.